So, you are finally joining architecture school? First of all, congratulations! You have probably already started buying stationery, watching architecture essential videos, maybe even wondering whether your laptop is good enough. But here's something no one really prepares you for. Architecture school doesn't change what you study, it changes the way you think. After completing my first year, there were so many moments where I thought I really wish someone had told me this earlier. Hey there, welcome to the Sugarda.com. In this video, I'm not going to tell you how to become the best architecture student, but yes, of course, I'm simply going to share the things I genuinely think would have made my first year smoother. So, if you are about to start architecture school, this one's for you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get going. Alright, let's start with probably the biggest misconception. Architecture isn't just drawing. If I ask someone outside architecture, what do architecture students do? 9 out of 10 people will probably say, oh, they draw buildings. And yes, drawing is definitely a part of it. But here's what surprised me. Before you even start drawing, you are already making decisions. Who is going to use the space? Where will sunlight come from? How will people move? How will the building respond to the climate? Suddenly, a simple sketch isn't just a drawing anymore. It's a solution to a problem. And talking about problems, here's something every architecture student experiences. Mindset. There will be times when you genuinely feel proud of your work. You look at it and think, this is it. And then comes jury or professor, and suddenly there are 10 new changes. Or they could simply say, redo. At first, this can feel discouraging, but after a while, you realize redesigning isn't a failure. It's literally a part of architecture. Every iteration makes your design a little stronger. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at an assignment and thought, there's no way I'm finishing all this? I definitely had those moments. I realized something. Most architecture projects aren't actually one big task. There are 6 or 7 small tasks pretending to be one giant one. Research, concept sketches, drawing, paneling, presentations, models. When you stop trying to finish everything at once, the project suddenly becomes easier to handle. Notice, I have not mentioned sleeping or poor planning because there will be time you will be having 2 hours sleep, 1 hour sleep, or even all nighters. Here's the funny thing, architecture slowly ruins your normal life. And I mean that in the best possible way. You'll walk into the cafe, and instead of looking at the menu, you will see the ceiling. You'll start wondering, why is the lighting so warm? Why does this place so spacious? Why everyone wants to sit in that corner? You don't even realize when this actually starts happening to you. It just becomes part of who you are. Here's something that surprised me. Two students can have equally good design, but the one who explains their idea more clearly often leaves a strong impression and, of course, scores good. Architecture isn't just about creating ideas, it's also about communicating them. No, you don't need any expensive camera. Your phone is more than enough. Start taking photos of buildings, details, materials, lights, shadows. Months later, you will actually realize by yourself that you have quietly built your own library of design inspirations. Whenever you come across a famous architect, don't immediately ask, what did they design? Ask, how did they think? That's where the real learning is. And finally, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Nobody walks into architecture knowing everything. You are going there to learn, to experiment, to make mistakes, to improve. Some projects will go exactly how you imagine, others won't. Both are equally valuable. Looking back, my first semester, my first year wasn't perfect, but it taught me more than I expected. And hopefully, after watching this video, your first year becomes just a little bit easier than mine was. If you are joining architecture this year, let me know in the comments which college you are going to. And if you are already in architecture school, what's one lesson you wish someone had told you before? And one thing to note down is I'm not someone who's completed 5 years of architecture school. I have just finished my first year and everything I'm sharing here is just fresh in my mind. The things which actually surprised me, challenged me, and helped me. So, think of this less like a lecture and more of a conversation with the senior who is just 1 year ahead of you. So, if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share it with your fellows. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.